Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice balls at home. Start by chilling rice to firm it for shaping. Gather cooked rice, fillings, eggs, breadcrumbs, and oil. Mix rice with seasonings and a binder, then portion and stuff each ball gently. Chill shaped balls briefly, then dredge in egg and breadcrumbs. Fry until golden brown and drain on paper towels. Serve hot with dipping sauce and enjoy. In this video, I will show how to make fried rice balls at home. Prepare ingredients on a clean surface with containers for rice, fillings, and coatings. Measure spices and chop fillings to uniform size for even cooking. Use cooled, loosely packed rice so it binds without becoming gummy. Keep a small bowl of water nearby to wet your hands for easy shaping. Work quickly to maintain shape and texture. In this video, I will show how to make fried rice balls at home. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers I picked, perfect for storing shaped rice balls and sauces without spills. They save time when prepping lunches and keep flavors fresh between meals. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like the video for more kitchen hacks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make fried rice balls at home. Heat oil to the correct temperature and test with a breadcrumb to ensure sizzle. Fry in small batches to avoid crowding and temperature drop. Turn gently to brown all sides evenly, aiming for a crisp exterior and warm interior. Drain on paper towels and season lightly while hot. Let rest briefly so fillings set before serving with sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.